Hello everyone. Today's topic is functions of venture capital in financial services. Let's see one by one. First function encourages entrepreneurship. Venture capital has greatly supported the growth of entrepreneurship by providing the required financial resources. Example, the venture capital which is behind the growth of popularity of the Google, Yahoo, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Next function, financing of high risk ventures. Commercial banks and financial institutions generally provide funding to traditional business ideas. They do not support innovative or creative business ideas, but venture capital funds that have supported the setting up of business based on innovative ideas. For example, the idea of app based cab service being converted into a business, Uber, Ola, etc., was possible because of venture capital. Next function, participation in management. Apart from providing fund, venture capital firm provide technical, financial, managerial and marketing advice and guidance. Then it enable wealth generation. It enable corporates and wealthy individuals with surplus funds to fund high potential business opportunities. It helps to generate wealth for the entrepreneur as well as to the venture capital investor. Next function, it improve consumer welfare. Venture capital firm enables setting up new enterprise, expansion of existing firm and in revival of sick unit. Entry of new firm improve the availability of goods and services. There is increased competition among the firm resulting in quality improvement and cost reduction benefiting consumer. It supports economic growth and development. Venture capital firm provide financial investment and managerial guidance for the firms. It enables the firm to be established and succeed. Growth of business firm is an important component of economic growth and development. Venture capital increases employment opportunities. Promotion of new venture improve the employment opportunities in the country. There is growing demand for employees with different skills. Example, Zomato, Uber Eats, etc. has increased the demand for delivery executive, while the growth of Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. has increased the demand for technology professionals. Venture capital enable balanced development. Venture capital does not only support enterprises which are set up in the city, but also supports enterprises set up in non-metro locations. It helps in the development of rural economy and enable balanced development of the country. It supports innovation and technological development. Many youngsters with innovative ideas and ability to develop new technologies are supported by venture capital funds. This enables them to bring new products and services into the marketplace. Venture capitalists provide funding at the initial stages of a firm and also support it during its growth stage. The continuous flow of funds enable the firm to expand and increase their sales and profit. And last function which we are going to see, export promotion. Many firms set up by venture capital funds export their product, enabling the country to earn valuable foreign exchange. They have also set up branches in foreign country and have become successful globally. So far, the functions of venture capital which I explained, I hope you all understand. From this video, we shall see another topic in the next video. Thank you.